Hey everyone, Kevin here from Missouri Clark Life, and behind this door right here is our spare bedroom, which has turned into our computer room slash sewing room slash storage room. And we've kind of just let it go crazy as far as not being really organized. So we got stuff all over the place in here. Got these big boxes here we need to do something with. Got all of this mess here that we need to do something with. So we decided today that we're going to take this and do some organization in here. We went yesterday to Menards and bought 2 of the big heavy-duty storage shelving. So we're going to take this crib. We're going to go ahead and break it down. This crib was in Miss Kitty's family for a long time, and we've got some stuffed animals and stuff that's stored in there, and we've got our furnace filters and all that stuff stored, and it's just a mess in here. We've kind of let it go over the years. Our computer room, the desk is, kind of cluttered too. Got stuff on the floor. 2 big boxes here that are normally, these 2 boxes here are laying on the floor right here. We've kind of got them out of the way so we can get this crib out of here and get it broke down. But we're going to put the big heavy-duty plastic shelving in here and see if we can't get a bunch of this organized. So it should look a whole lot better here for too long. Someday we need to get around to repainting this room, but like I said, it was our spare bedroom, and we just turned it into kind of like a little office area, a sewing room, and just started storing stuff in it for years. So we're going to get it cleaned up. Like I said, the shelves that we bought are a really super heavy-duty resin plastic shelves. One's a 4 shelf. One's a 5 shelf, so it should eliminate this mess pretty good. And then we've got some plastic storage units right here that are kind of like little plastic dressers that we got stuff in. So anyway, we're going to get started on that, and I just want to do a before video of it so you can kind of get an idea of what it looks like and what it'll look like later. So hope everyone enjoys the video, and I'd like to have people like and subscribe to our channel. So to all of my subscribers, appreciate it, guys and gals, and hope you get a kick out of this video. Talk to you later. Bye-bye. Yep, it's gonna take some work. Hey everyone, Kevin here from Missouri Clark Life. So yesterday we did a video of how we reorganized our spare bedroom. So last night we spent about a big chunk of the night last night reorganizing, putting in some new shelves. But before I take anyone in there to show you how it looks now, I want you to take time and go back to that video, or before video, of how it looked before we got in there and did some reorganizing. So here we go. I'm going to take everybody in here and show you what it looks like now. All the boxes and junk's off the floor. Computer desk's all nice and neat now. Miss Kitty's sewing station's all set up and organized now. Got our shelving over there. We got stuff up off the floor and organized. But like I said, go see the before video of this room just to get an idea of how quick a couple of cheap, inexpensive shelves can make your room just totally more organized. So we took the crib apart and we got it all stored out of the way and put up. We've got a 5 shelf plastic shelving, and we also got a 4 shelf plastic shelving. These are really inexpensive shelves, but they hold a ton, and I think they're somewhere around 200 pounds per shelf that they can hold. And of course we already had some of these little dresser type storage units here. But man, it just made a huge difference in the opening and space of this room now. Got everything off the floor. Got the vacuum cleaner back over there. The big boxes that were on the floor is actually able to put up on the very top shelf. And like I said, they're big shelves. They're 36 by 24. Yeah, 36 wide, 24 deep. This one's 72 inches tall. And this one here, the smaller one, I'm not for sure the height on it, but it's the same width as the big one. It's just a little shorter. So these shelvings we got at Menards in Springfield. The big one was only like $37, $39, and then the little one, they actually had a sale on it. So Miss Kitty got it for just a little over $20. So got a big chunk of money off that being on sale. So anyway, anybody out there sees this video, hope if you got a storage problem and everything like that, these shelves are really simple, easy to put up, and they're very sturdy. So hope you got a little interest out of this video, and if you need any storage stuff like that, Menards has got a ton of shelving units like this, and they also have metal units too. So hope you like that, and please be sure to subscribe and share our channel with everyone. So this just opened this room up huge amount. Definitely made a difference. So guys and gals, everybody take care, and hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe and like our videos. Talk to you later. Bye bye.